We're getting ready to do the Provo River. We've had a pretty crazy day here just trying to get on this river to just experience this. Hank has the luxury of living here, so he can do this anytime. Me, not so much, but we're gonna give it a shot. Should be a pretty crazy adventure, so feel free to follow along on the craziness, and we will let you know as we go along exactly how this is going to go. All right? We're going in a hole. Hang on.
Okay.
That's okay. We're in a hole. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. That was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A mom to 17 children, I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
Okay, we're good. We're good. We're through that. Woo! Oh, my word. Oh. My heart is beating a mile a minute. And we're only on class like ones. Oh, holy cow. I'm going to say I pee myself, but it wouldn't make it much difference. We're already soaked anyway. Jeez, I'm crow.
Nice.
All right, we got a little bit of more turbulence here. When it's really low, that means that the rocks are going to be really close to the surface. So we just kind of bump over these and hope for the best. The only thing that can flip us is if we go sideways and the water gets in, or we get caught in a rock that we can't get off of and the water overrushes us. Hang on, Hank. I thought we were done, but I don't think so. See, watch my paddle.
Yeah.
Watch this. Ready? Look. See how I just straighten this out? Just like that. And then I'm digging us a little bit more over this way and a little bit more this way. We're going in the middle of this hole. Actually, we're going to the right of it. Right of it. Right. Right. Yep, right of it. We're good. It's right there. We're good. Woo! This is unbelievable. Oh my God. I would never be home if I lived here. Dude, I would always be on the river or biking or...
I do fish a lot, but...
Fishing, man.
How many trips? I went to Vegas, came back, I went to Kansas City.
Let's dig a little bit on this way. Dig this way. See, dig this way. Yep. Okay, good. Let's get more in the middle of the river. I don't want to be on the sides.
Oh, shit.
It's all right. It's all right. Just a little bit of a drop. Okay, maybe a little bit more of the drop. Go for the here, right here in the chute. Ready? Okay, here we go. Shooting. Boom. Boom. Nice. I'm not going to graduate you to rafting school yet, but you're doing good. Oh, man. Okay, another one apparently.
Oh, man.
Okay, we want to stay away from the side.
Oh, people are walking.
Get us away from the side.
Well, right there.
We're good. No, we can be in the middle. I just don't want to be on the side.
Right here.
All right, here we go. We're going in the hole. Oof. Woo. Oh, I'm so soaked. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, this is probably the bridge where they said we had to get out for safety. So once we get over here, we want to start going to the side more. This way. Just normal paddle this way. Normal paddle. See? There you go. When I paddle this way, you paddle the other side. Otherwise, you'll turn us. No, you're turning us. So when I'm on this side, you be on this side. Otherwise, we're not going anywhere. Okay. Why are we not moving? Are we on a rock?
No.
Hold on.
We need to get over there to the current.
Yeah, but what the heck? We should be moving.
Turn it around. Look at it.
No, are we? What the frig? It's like we're snagged on something. Okay, there we go. All right.
It's so calm.
Yeah, I want to go. I know, I want it to be calm, but the thing is, if you're paddling against me, hold on. All right, hold on. When I paddle this way, you're on the other side. Wait, no, I'm sorry, wrong way. You and I paddle on the same side at the same time. Ready? Paddle this way. Switch. Switch. There we go. Switch. Yeah, there we go. Switch. Switch. There we go. Switch. There we go. Switch. Okay. All right. Okay. The current's going to do most of the rest of this for this part of us.
Beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Okay. But we don't want to be too far because we don't want to run into the wood, into the ground. Okay, it's fine. We're doing good. We're really kind of just fighting each other, but this is the best we can do. I'm just more concerned about going to the side. Hold on. Apparently that wasn't a takeout area. They were just stopping. I don't see any reason why to stop up here.
Fish right here.
On this raft.
I don't even think you need to fly fish. You could just throw some cheese or something.
Cheese? What?
It's what they use, or it looks like cheese.
Come on. Yeah, it looks like we're going to go around a pretty tight little... Alright, I don't know which way to go here, so I'm going kind of the right here a little bit. Probably shallow right there, but yeah, we're shallow. Oh, and there's a log right there. Oh, cool, we just missed that. That would not have been good. I can't really see your river going very high. If it did, it would flood the place out. There's no real, well, on this side, but this side would be...
I've never been over here.
You've never been on the Provo River? How long have you lived in Utah?
Down there, but that's about it.
How have you driven down the river?
No, I mean, I've driven up there.
Oh, well, yeah, on the highway. That ain't nothing, dude. Dude, the highway's...
Oh, I did fish down here,
But you never kayaked it?
no.
This is cool, man. Yeah. Look at this old guy. See him? I'm just cruising. Oh, she's on the phone. She's like, I'm just taking a phone call, no big deal. Well, that's what it was. They were waiting for someone else. Hank, remember when we saw them pulling over?
Yeah.
They were waiting for someone else. She just said they were waiting for someone else. All right. Or they either private property, it's probably railroad property, to be honest with you. That looks like a railroad sign right there. Is that, are the railroad tracks on this side or on that side? Are those railroad tracks right there? Those are railroad tracks, right? Oh no, that's the trail. Remember the walking trail? With the old, yeah. No one can camp there. Okay, here comes the bridge. It doesn't matter what we do, even if we have to get out of the kayak, we're not going onto that bridge. Pretty sure this is the bridge they were talking about. And since they're not with us anymore, we're going to have to figure that out ourselves. Is this the put out? Hold on. Hold on. We'll pull the cap out. Okay. Pick up front. Yep. Oh, wow, you weren't kidding. Ready? Yep. It's draining. Hold on. It's draining.
Is it?
Yeah, it's draining. Just gotta get clear of the... It's coming out?
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap, this thing's tough.
Yeah, it needs more air.
Yeah, good luck with that. Well, wait, maybe... It might be a little... No, we can't blow this up. We don't have the compression thing with us. It should be okay, gang. We're about halfway there. Let's see how much water's out. Jeez, I'm crow. We opened the friggin' thing up.
So we just turn it over?
Okay. Yeah, we could do that. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, over.
Which way are we going?
This way.
Yeah.
Oh, this kayak has seen better days. Okay.
Yeah, it needs just more air.
Yeah, well, it's probably got a hole, Hank. How else would? Why would it need more air if it didn't have a hole in it? I think the whole thing took a beating. It wasn't made for whitewater rafting. All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Take our half-floated kayak down to the west of the river here. Wildwood.
You got your phone?
Yes, it's in the backpack. Go back up. Get up to the side. Oh, hey, your tube's coming to see you. It might be you might get there before the tube, but oh, that is crazy. Well, we didn't shoot the bridge. Hank wanted to, but we're alive probably because we didn't. All right, back down the river. Here we go. More adventures. To this, I need my paddle back, Hank, or you're gonna kill me. Whoa, your paddle's tilted. Rocks. We're good. Turn! No, other way. Okay. Hank, I need my paddle. Quick, switch paddles. Switch!
Here.
Switch!
Okay.
Oh, crap. Okay. Whew. Your paddle's you've got a tilt angle on it, dude. Oh boy, we're taking on water.
Are we?
Hey, oh yeah. Wait, did we? Hank? We didn't friggin' shut the cock!
Did it?
No! We gotta get off this boat. It's behind you, Hank. Behind you.
What do you mean it's behind me?
It's a piece of plastic. We got our float cocks open, letting water in. If we can just get off of this, but I don't think it's gonna happen.
It ain't that bad.
We're taking on water, and he says it ain't that bad. All right, well, we're gonna have to just go with it, dude. We got no choice. When we get to a shallow spot, we gotta pull over again. We are so taking on water right now. Hang on, Hank, we're going through the middle. Oh.
It's deep.
Yeah, well, that's where the rocks are. Okay, we're not getting out here, so just keep us straight and not underwater.
Get up.
When it gets calm again, we'll pull over to the side. Hang on, just hang on through this. Hang on, Gus. Hang on, Hank. Going through. Okay. All right, right here it's flat, so we're just gonna get out right over there on the side. Anyone on the side? Over on this side. Yep.
How deep? Oh, it's deep.
Well, once we get to the side, it'll be fine. No, don't spin us. Don't spin us. There you go. See where the rafters went?
Okay.
I'm gonna spin us. Spinning us around. There we go. Okay, we're good. We're good. Stay away from that rock. All right. Here we go. Good. We're good. Oh yeah, that's good. We got another set coming up in a minute here. Get us to more of the out in the middle, because this is where the ripply like that could be shallow. Yeah, it is shallow, very shallow there. Watch your feet, it's really shallow here. Yeah, you'll feel it.
I've been fishing here.
You have?
Yeah, this looks like where we came. This one over here.
Oof. Oh, it's really shallow. Crap! This cannot be healthy for the kayak. Okay, we're going into it.
You go to the right, to the left.
I can't get over there. To the left?
Yeah.
To the hole?
This way.
You kidding me?
No, there.
Oh, that's to the right.
No, to the left.
I'm going that way. Look slow. Watch the holes. Okay. We're through. Woo! She's